ক্লাস 12-এর 3 কোয়েশ্চেন্সের মোস্ট ইম্পর্ট্যান্ট এমসিকিউ নিয়ে আলোচনা করা হবে। তো চলো মনোযোগ সহকারে দেখে নি ভিডিওটা। 3 কোয়েশ্চেন ইজ রিটেন বাই এ. এপিজে আব্দুল কালাম, বি. লিও টলস্টয়, সি. ল্যাংস্টন হিউজ, ডি. রাস্কিন বন্ড। অ্যান্সার বি. লিও টলস্টয়। 3 question is written by Leo Tolstoy. The title Tsar belong to the Prime Minister of Great Britain, President of Russia, King of Japan, King of Russia. Answer D. King of Russia. Each time the hermit stuck his spade into the ground, he breathed heavily, drank water, sat down for rest, wiped off the sweat on his forehead. Answer A. Breathed heavily. Next questions. To answer the 3 questions, the Tsar invited magicians, doctors, scholars and learned men, soldiers. Answer C. Scholars and learned men. Next questions. When the Tsar asked the hermit 3 questions, the hermit remained silent. B. Answered gradually. C. Answered quickly. D. Remained indifferent. Answer A. Remained silent. Next questions. According to some learned men, the right time for every action is only known to the A. Priests, B. Doctors, C. Magicians, D. Warriors. Answers C. Magicians. According to some learned men, the right time for every action is only known to the magicians. The man fell fainting on the ground and moaned feebly because he was wounded. He did not eat anything for a long time. He was very tired. He was frail and weak. Answer A. He was wounded. The man fell fainting on the ground and moaned feebly because he was wounded. Option A, correct answer. When at last the blood ceased flowing, the man revived and asked for water, medicine, juice, fruits. When at last the blood ceased flowing, the man revived and asked for answer A. Water. The enemy of the Tsar was recognized by A. the Tsar himself, the Tsar's friend, the Tsar's bodyguard, the hermit. Answer the Tsar's bodyguard. Option C is the correct answer. The enemy of the Tsar was recognized by the Tsar's bodyguard. The wounded man swore to revenge himself on the Tsar because the Tsar A. Option A. Unprisoned his brother, B. seized his kingdom, C. executed his brother and seized his property, D. killed his brother. Answer executed his brother and seized his property. Option number C is correct answer to this question. The answer that the Tsar got from the learned man were all correct. B. Indifferent. B. Different. C. Similar. D. Incorrect. Answer B. Different. He just spat on his hand and recommenced digging. Here recommenced means returned, reversed, refused, resumed. Answer D. Resumed. The Tsar asked the hermit A. 1 question, B. 2 questions, C. 3 questions, D. 4 questions. Answer 3 questions. Option number C is correct answer to this question. Seeing the Tsar, the hermit A. offered him water, A. B. greeted him with a smile, C. offered him food, D. greeted him and went on digging. Answer D. greeted him and went on digging. The hermit was A. tall and weak, B. short and weak, frail and strong, D. frail and weak. Answer: frail and weak. Option D is correct answer to these questions. The bearded man was wounded by A. the Tsar's son, B. the Tsar's friend, D. C. the Tsar himself, D. the Tsar's bodyguard. Answers: D. the Tsar's bodyguard. The hermit opined that the most important thing to do is A. to help a man in trouble, B. to remain alert against certain ambush, C. to amass as much money as possible for the future, D. to do good to human beings. Answer: D. to do good to human beings. The Tsar fell asleep as he was A. tired and afraid, B. exhausted, C. feeling happy, D. very weak. Answer: B. exhausted. The bearded man resolved to kill A. the hermit, B. the learned man, C. the Job's bodyguard, D. the Tsar. Answer: the Tsar. Option number D is correct answer to these questions. The Tsar declared to give a reward, A. beautiful place, C. gold coins, D. valuable stone. Answer: A. reward. The man will advise his sons to be honest, B. to serve a good king like the Tsar, C. not to forget the execution of the uncle, D. to kill the Tsar. Answer: B. to serve a good king like the Tsar. The enemy of the Tsar decided to kill him when he would A. go to the wood, B. meet the hermit, C. come back from the hermit, D. find him alone. Answer: C. come back from the hermit. The hermit was working with his A. spade, B. scythe, D. C. spade, D. cutter. Sorry, A option and C option is same. Option A and C, spade, is correct. The bearded man knew that the Tsar the Tsar went alone to meet the hermit, B. the Tsar went with guards to protect him, C. the Tsar had gone to meet the hermit for advice, D. the Tsar had gone to arrest the hermit. Answer: A. the Tsar went alone to meet the hermit. The Tsar is A. the Prime Minister of India, B. the Queen of England, C. the King of Russia, D. the King of Japan. Answer: C. the King of Russia. The Tsar went to visit the hermit in a gorgeous attire, a poor man's clothes, a magician's dress, simple clothes. D. Answer: simple clothes. D option is right answer for this question. The Tsar executed the bearded man's A. brother, B. father, C. uncle, D. daughter. Answer: A. brother. The time when the incident of the story took place was A. winter, B. autumn, C. summer, D. spring. Answer: B. autumn. The wounded man was actually A. the enemy of the hermit, the enemy of the Tsar, the friend of the Tsar, the the disciple of the hermit. Answer: the enemy of the Tsar. Option number B is the correct answer to these questions. Next questions. According to the hermit, the most necessary man is he. A. with whom you work, B. with whom you are, C. with whom you live, D. who helps you in travel. Answer: B. with whom you are. answer B is correct and correct. The hermit was widely known for his A. Wisdom, B. Power, C. Treachery, D. Cleverness. Answer A. Wisdom. The Tsar repeated his question after digging A. One bed, B. Some beds, C. Several beds, D. Two beds. Answer D. Two beds. Next questions. The wounded the wound of the bearded man was bandaged with the handkerchief of the Tsar. B. A fresh bandage. C. A travel of the hermit. The travel of the hermit. D. The handkerchief of the Tsar and a towel of the hermit. Answer D. The handkerchief of the Tsar and a towel of the hermit. The Tsar was unhappy with all the answers he received because they were wrong. He did not agree with any of them. The answers are the same. All of the above. Answer B. He did not agree with any of them. Next question. For what three questions does Tsar want answer? The most important time, the most important person, and the most important thing to do. Answer A. The most important time, the most important person, and the most important thing to do. The hermit lived in a town with city village. Answer wood. B option wood. The bearded man told the Tsar, "Excuse me, goodbye, save me, forgive me." Answer forgive me. The hermit never quitted the cottage he lived in, the road he could see, the retreat he lived in, the wood he lived in. Answer D. The wood he lived in. পরের ভিডিওতে আরও এমসিকিউ নিয়ে আমরা আলোচনা করব। তো ভালো লাগলে ভিডিওটা লাইক করো এবং সাবস্ক্রাইব করো। থ্যাংক ইউ ফর ওয়াচিং দিস ভিডিও।